There is no doubt that Google AdSense is the best to make money by placing ads on your any website or blogs. But Google AdSense rules, policy and guidelines getting very strict nowadays. So sometime by chance, if you don't get approved by Google AdSense or Google AdSense account get banned or get suspended, no problem. There are so many Google AdSense alternative sites available online. Then you can apply this Google AdSense alternative site that pays same as Google AdSense or some of them even better. In this video, I am going to discuss about Google AdSense alternative sites in details. I will go through more than 10 top Google AdSense alternative sites plus some other sites that you can keep in mind to use to make big income on your website or blog. Also, I will provide all the links in description below. For most Google AdSense alternative sites that you can easily apply for and make better income on your website or blog. So please watch this video to the end to get all step by step in detail. If you like this video, please don't forget to share and click on like button. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and hit the bell of notification to get notified of all my future video as soon as I upload new video. So let's get started. So as soon as you click the link in the description below of this video, you will be directed to this webjack.com page that have all the links of the site that provide affiliate code to integrate on any of your website or blogs to generate income. The first one is Medianet. Medianet is one of the best one and similar to Google AdSense and required to sign up, and some reason if you don't have a Google AdSense or account get banned or suspended, you can sign up for all this Google AdSense alternative. Otherwise, Google AdSense is the best one to monetize. Now, once you come to this page, you will have to click on sign up page and go through all the process, your website, email address, country of residence, and click by continuing agree to terms of condition, privacy policy. Then you sign up and you go through all the process. The second one, it ad marketplace. This is also a best to monetize on your blog or your website. All you need to do, click on contact us link and request for your account as a publisher. And after ad marketplace, ad tribe. This one also a best one. Click to join ad tribe or apply now and go through all the process, sign up for application, fill out all the required information and go through all the process and get your account and get going. Pop ads. click on publisher, and this one also you need to contact them and request your account. Yeah, sign up process. So you know that you have the link, so you go through with this process. Then Edstera. Edstera is also one of the best one for publisher. You have found the best ad network for publishers. Go to sign up as a publisher and go to fill out all the things and go through process. Info link. You can sign up or watch the video, and sign up must be as an advertiser. AdBlade, or you must click this one as a publisher to join. But the AdBlade, this website AdBlade, you only get approved if you have a very good amount of traffic. Otherwise, if you have a slow traffic or very low traffic, you will not get it. So keep in mind, you have another option, so many. Then revenue hits. This one is better. Sign up process, fill out the thing and go through all the procedure. Bidvertiser, register as a publisher, sign up as a publisher and register your account and get going. Buy, sell ads. This also a best one. Click as a publisher and click on get in touch and request your account. Chiquita. They used to call Chiquita is now Sidewalk. You can watch the video to learn more details or click on get started as a publisher. Popular ads. This is also good for monetizing traffic. Click to sign up. Skim links. Start for free. So sign up as a publisher. Media publisher, blogger, doesn't matter. And this one, instant articles. A new way for publisher to create fast, interactive stories on Facebook. Instant articles from your site that load faster because they are hosted on your Facebook. So you must have Facebook account, the developer, Facebook developer account. Then you log in and right here click on sign up. If you don't have account, you can sign up right here get started and go through all the procedures. So that's it for today. All the links you have right here on webjack.com. So anytime you need it, you come on this page and find the links. So eventually I will provide more links as soon as I find better sites. So come on this page and find the links for all the Google alternative, Google AdSense alternative to make money. And that's it for today of this video, and I hope you like it. So please share and subscribe and hit the bell of notification. Thank you. Have a good day. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.